What is up, Print Squad? I am back with another video, and if you want to see what I'm printing today, stay tuned.
TshirtChick.
Today I'm going to be printing on this jacket right here. Actually, it's a kid's blue jean jacket, but you can see that my sister actually has a few patches in the front that she's going to have stitched on. But what I'm going to be doing is printing a name across here. So I already measured everything out, and I'm about to go to the vinyl cutter and I'm going to go ahead and cut that name out so that I can put it on the jacket. Okay, today, since I'm only doing a name on the back of the jacket, I'm going to be using this scrap piece of vinyl. Not strap, but scrap piece of vinyl. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, be sure to hit that thumbs up button. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to both the green and the red channel, because I post videos daily, alternating on each channel. So be sure to subscribe to both of them so you won't miss any videos. And if you're interested in any of the products or equipment that I use to print t-shirts, check down below this video in the description box for links. And be sure to follow me on Instagram at TshirtChick TV. And I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Print Squad out.